This is a 2012 Acura TL. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, 8-way power adjustable seats, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Acura of Baton Rouge is located at 13550 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.